Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to buy the Thorchain Rune. Make sure you stick around to the end of the video. I'll be showing you 3 different options on how you can get the Thorchain Rune. So our first option is going to be getting it via a centralized exchange, that's Binance. So once you've opened up your Binance, make sure you have an account. And if you do not have an account on Binance, by using our link in the description of the video, you stand a chance to claim 100 USDT worth of trading fee rebate when you register and verify. So guys, you're on Binance. How can you get the Thorchain Rune? It's quite easy. Make sure you click the deposit icon at the top left. Once you select the deposit, simply deposit any cryptocurrency of your choice, any crypto that is being hosted by Binance. So once you've been able to find the crypto, let's say you've got some USDT, make sure you deposit the USDT in any of the available networks. And once that's done, simply head to the wallets menu at the bottom right. Once there, scroll from the overview to the spot and you'd find your crypto or whatever crypto you had deposited. So we've got some BNB here. How can we use the BNB to get the rune? Head to the home section, click on the convert icon, and where we have the tool section, that's what we're converting to, click on MAV and search for rune. So click on rune, that's Thorchain Rune, enter an amount you wish to convert to, click on preview conversion, and simply click on convert. So once you've done this, you get the rune on your wallet. Another option is to make use of the Trust Wallet. So open up your Trust Wallet application. Once you've opened up Trust Wallet, simply search for rune. And here we go, the Thorchain Rune. Click on Thorchain. And once you've selected this crypto, all you need to do to get it is click on the buy option that's here. And based on your region, you can purchase as much rune as you need. If you're in any of these compactable regions, all you need to do is enter an amount and you'd get the rune on your wallet. Another option would be to click on the swap and simply swap from any network into the rune. So let's say you've got some BNB, that's Smart Chain BNB. Click on your Smart Chain, and now you could easily convert from Smart Chain to the Rune network, depending on the amount of crypto you have. So let's say you have 1 BNB or so, you could easily click on swap and get yourself some Rune tokens. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can go about any of this, and you'd be given an answer. Thank you.